quickly. We olemme tänään terveet. Olemme tänään GTA. Se on näin kyllä.
Get off the road! I'm on the straight, yo! Then I flew and I pulled the engine on my force. See me ride on a jet black horse. At any course, red unions to rise up and be the boss. So in all fairness, if you're black and show awareness, you can rally round the flag. Stand tall or don't stand at all. The three and the three won't back to the floor. Cause that's a picture that I'm thinking I can draw. Oh, man. Look where you going!
Mistä jättää tuossa kynnytteet? Ja silloin ne lähetteet oma meitiivän.
Trying to fill a bitch up?
Mä ei tiedä mitä ilmiössä on niistä seuraakaan moneksi mitä
I put in more work than
pappikopputaan.
any man.
You dead, motherfucker! Can I have this?
Okei, mä nyt vähän eteen sitä.
I would shoot my bitch if she gets fatter. Who's the asshole? Am I gonna have to kill you? Yeah, that's right, homie. Only the cop can help you now. You wanna get shut up? Oh, asshole. Fuck y'all. That's all you got? You can stand on my bicep. Cabrón, yo tapado. Yeah, come and get.
How many times I heard that, huh? Look where you're going.
Run away, bitch!
You're gonna be a star, he said.
Oh, you're too kind.
Are you screwing with me?
Don't push me.
Come on, fight me! This the best you got? Move it or I'll total it. You think I got issues? Where do you think
Respond to
you're
attend 81 in Moreland Park. Suspect last seen on foot.
I need backup.
Get your stupid ass moving. Just couldn't control himself.
Move your motherfucking ass out the way. Not now! I wanna take a dump!
What's up? Get from my face. I like to share too, thank you.
What set you from, fool?
Chill, homie. I ain't into that shit.
I'll fight any motherfucker, man. Kiss my ass. Don't make me get out my car. Hey, Jamaica, go!
Enemigos? More like enemigas.
Get some new ropa, baboso.
No offense, but you boring me, alright? You got scratched, huh?
Do
That's very
yourself a
kind
favor,
of you.
pal. I ain't serving.
Idiot! Look where you're going! on foot.
I'm gonna kick your ass for the good of the community. I'm starting to feel a little faded. I'm not gonna be pushed around. It's gonna be easy, bitch. I invented all of it. Toe to toe, fool. Ain't but two fondues in here. See, that's just nobody punches CJ. Come on, fool. Run away. I put in more work than any man. Run away, fool. That's all you got? You want to get blasted, fool? Should run away. You want something? It's your funeral, asshole. Can I have this? Watch what I'm doing.
The rhythm method was king on the home of Red Grooves and the Love Giant. Johnny Love got Parkinson.
Get it on.
Watch your opponent's eyes.
Sounds.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, we're a huge corporation.
Watch your opponent. Know his move.
All you protesters can go to hell. It's
Use
time
your
for
right.
a rocking bell. From the factory farmer to your plate, the chicken's life
I'm gonna
is a
beat you
sorry
silly.
state. The pump full of chemicals, what the hell?
You gotta follow through with the
They're
uppercut.
full of hormones so they get fat. At least we no longer slip
Try and
and
build up a
rat.
combo.
I love chicken with a shitty smell, and that's why I love rocking
Only one of us
bell.
walking away from this.
Suffering never tasted so good. Gillar kommentar.
You won't lay a glove on me. Think you can take me, huh? Don't leave yourself open. Use your jab to get the range. Come on, I can take it. Keep your fists up and together. I'm not gonna hurt you. Watch the uppercut. Keep it up. I ain't pulling any punches.
Hey, you wanna go around with me? Get off the Come on, you won't. Get up. You got scratched, huh? You should have backed down and run away. Come on, punch.
I know you got soul. Hey, if you think you wouldn't be in here, I know you got
Trying to get laid out.
well. If you think you wouldn't shake that thing, get me with the beat. Yeah, don't make more the same.
If you high,
Get off the road. I want to take a beer.
asked you.
Got a fucking problem with me? I ain't got all day. You laughing now?
case, huh? That's very kind of you. For the grown, dude, we gotta put work in. Hey, come on, man, I thought we was banging. Families for life, homie, you down?
Man, your body is a Bible for your
Oh,
home.
you want this to get nasty?
Dude,
Let's go, homie, families. We gon' roll, homie, or what?
No, man.
You gon' represent the set now, homie?
Who died and made you OG?
Send them ducats over here. Stay close, homies. What you think now, fool? Homie, let's roll on some busters.
Kicks, motherfucker. Oh, damn, homie, I think my P.O. man around the corner.
Wanna roll with me? Okay, CJ,
Got better shit to do?
Hey, what's going on with your kicks, CJ? Okay, get in.
with me. We ran the mission.
There's a war going on in the streets. It's the war on thirst. Sprunk is winning the war on thirst with the new grenade-shaped cans.
Hey, yo, pull the pin and blow your thirst right off in that brand new taste explosion.
Go AWOL from the Cola Wars with an energizing mix of lemon, lime, 10 times the caffeine and sugar.
You can't drive for shit.
Yo, it'll bring your temperature right up and the bubbles. Other beverages use carbon dioxide.
Keep it flat, CJ.
Back left.
I warned you, CJ. I'ma beat you like you stole something. Knocking you out and smoking your money.
Man, Jordan, all embracing romance. Go smoke some Chico.
My heart don't pump no Stoned with a stone cold jab. Get your hands out my pocket. What you dudes waiting for? I hate it. I'ma beat you like you stole something. What's going on here? Knocking you out and smoking your money.
Hey, this is Soggy Endo. How you spit on it, idiot? Move!
Pick him up.
What you want, dog? Who rolled this piece of shit?
Give me a dap. Shit, I'm sucking on. Oh, what up, man?